Lab 4. Lab 4 assignment is a simple input-output control exercise. This is how the trainer is wired up for this particular exercise. You can see here that we're utilizing our LEDs. We have our LED header right here connected to parts of port B and port A. We'll zoom down, kind of show you a different part of it. And again, we have our port B. We have bits 0, 1, 2, and 3 connected over to the LEDs. We also have port A, bits 0, 1, 2, and 3 connected to port B. So we've got the port split. Now on port B, we're utilizing bits 5, 6, and 7 as input bits. It's going to show you the flexibility of being able to determine whether a bit is input or output. We'll slide down, and here's our input where we're using our selector switch. You can see our selector switch is connected to the header that are connected to these last three switches right here. When the switch is in the off position or down, it's putting a logic level 0 on that bit. When the switch is flipped up, it's putting a logic level 1 to that input bit. And again, we've got our target microcontroller, and we also have our oscillator, which is a 20 megahertz ceramic resonator, and our target device. Once again, don't forget that when we do use the 18-pin device, switches 1 through 5 are in the left position, switches 6 through 10 are in the right position. Also during programming, we take and flip this switch to the left position for programming as we press the reset button, actually downloading the program. And then we switch it to the right. Once we're ready to do that, run our program. We will now look at see how this operates on power up to kind of give you an idea of simple input and output. We power up, and we see that the flip of a switch causes a certain LED pattern to come up. Let's flip the next switch. Gives you another LED pattern. Flip the next switch, shows another LED pattern. And of course, if we flip all the switches up, it's executing almost all the code that illuminates all the LEDs. This is a simple input and output where we're doing an input and we're doing some sort of process with the outputs. Simple I/O. That